video, I'm transforming my home into a cozy oasis that inspires relaxation and creativity. I'm transforming my living room into the cozy space for the remainder of winter. I'm getting it clean and decorated. Then before you go, I'll head down the hallway and I will transform my entryway table into a modern classic look. So if this is something that you guys would like to see, then just keep on watching. Thing that we're going to do is start decluttering the floors, the couch, the tables, and the chairs. Getting everything that does not belong in this living room and putting it away. Next thing that we're going to do is start dusting the fan. Whether you have a fan or a light fixture, get it dusted. It was so much dust up here, it was ridiculous. So it is time to get that done. The last time I cleaned this was during Christmas. So I noticed there was a lot of crumbs over here and I didn't want to step on that as I'm cleaning the couch off. So I'm just going to vacuum clean that real quick and then get behind the lamp as well. And then we'll start vacuuming the couch.
Yeah. What's the worst case scenario? Plan out in your head how it's all gonna go. So you think you got it covered, but there's always something new that you discover you've not thought about.
It never fails. If you have kids, you understand my pain. There is going to always be something up under these cushions, whether it's gaming controllers, toys, or crumbs. So we're just gonna get that vacuumed and then we're gonna put all the cushions back.
When your brain's wild for disaster, even good things leave a bitter taste. Try to calm down, thoughts spinning faster. Terrified, hide it with laughter. When your brain's wild for disaster, even good things leave a bitter taste. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste. Something unexpected happens, you can't let it go. Caught up in your own distractions, you already know that you're gonna think about this for a while. While you try not to lose your mind, not to believe the lies that you tell yourself, that you tell yourself. Have a good time, but worry after. Petrified when they think I'm awkward. When your brain's wired for disaster, even good things leave a bitter taste. Try to calm down, thoughts spinning faster. Terrified, hide it with laughter. When your brain's wired for disaster, even good things leave a bitter taste. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste. Worry won't change the outcome, but I've been doing this for so long. My brain keeps signaling danger, although I know that I'll be just.
Well, I know where the Spider-Man went they've been looking all over for. Here it is.
My brain keeps signaling danger, although I know that I'll be just fine. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste.
I forgot about these curtains, so let's get them out of here. Now, I had to swap them out. I could not stand those curtains being in my living room. Everything just looks so matchy. So I brought in my black ones, my velvet black ones. They look so luxe and I love them in here. Now we're just dusting up all the shelves and all the decor, and then we'll head to vacuuming the floors and getting those clean, and also those chairs.
Where you been and where you hiding? I know you're lying. Don't you try it, no.
Before we get those floors clean, I do here and shave my couch a little bit. It looks so much better when it's shaved, because if it's not, then all that lint that you saw in there will be all over the couch and it will make it look dirty.
Like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying to be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. You're telling me I should go places. You're telling me that I'm too lazy. You are the one that is going crazy. Yeah. Cause you can't even hold your own, but you always know what's wrong.
Next, we're going to start on the floors. Now, my pink stuff just arrived from Amazon. I ordered a couple of cleaners yesterday, including some new mop heads. So I'm so excited that they did. Look, I am so excited to use my new mop heads and my cleaners. What is wrong with me? No, that's what happens when you want a clean home and you want it to smell good and you're getting older. So you always get excited about stuff like this, especially a clean home. I'm getting these chairs clean. I'm going to use my Folex. Now, I just want to spot clean the chair. I don't have to use my little green machine. I just cleaned these chairs with that machine. So I really don't want to go over them again right now until next month. So I'm going to do my best to get them clean with this cleaner.
Keep my hand in the fire. Won't learn my lesson till I let it burn, but never lose my desire. Had it from the moment that I felt my first love. I knew I'd never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Shots in my heart, but it pleads the truth.
We're gonna start with these glass tables. Honey, don't do it. Don't do it unless you are single, okay? Don't do it. Now, like I said before, my home is like a modern classic with a little bit of transitional. And I really wanted these tables to work out for me in my home, especially since my couch is doing a good job and those chairs. But no, the Dawn Power Wash didn't do it. And I'm using a clean towel now and some alcohol. And all I'm doing is just fussing at you guys about how this table is not coming clean. It's smudged and I can't get the smudge out. I just can't. Now, I've used vinegar. I've used glass cleaner. And I don't know, maybe I need to go back to newspaper like my husband said. On to the fun part. I am using this wool throw blanket that I got from Amazon. It has those fringes, and you guys know how I love my fringes. Then I'm using this chocolate velvet pillow, and then this textured one that I got from Home Goods a while back. We over into the other side. I believe this throw blanket is from Walmart. I'm not for sure. I'll leave it down below. Then I'm using another one of those textured pillows from Home Goods, bringing in some of my Amazon finds, which is my black velvet pillow and also the striped velvet It is so gorgeous. I don't even like stripes, but I like this one. Using this faux fur throw blanket that I got from Walmart last year as a gift. Then just to add something simple like the black velvet pillows with the chocolate brown mousse colors on each side. And then I went ahead and I threw over this sheepskin on one of my chairs. I thought it looked really nice. And then just spraying a little bit of Febreze. Now for 2025, I want this to be my signature color, period. I told my family that. That's it. I love this color. And for this year, they're bringing the warm neutral browns in. Mwah! Chef's kiss. Now you guys need to pick on which one you think looks best in this corner, 1, 2, or 3. Let me know in the comments. See, I told you that table was still smudged. Now I'm bringing in my Jake Arnold and the Arranging Things, and I'm just going to place them right here on the table. I like to use books when I'm decorating. It elevates the space and makes it look really nice. These are things that I love, I'm interested in, so I place them right here on my table, and yes, I do read them. In one of my vessels that I got when I was vintage shopping. This marble tray that I got for Christmas. I like to bring a little interest to my table, so I'm also adding in this bronze tray, my black vase, and these stems that I got from Hobby Lobby a while back. Next, I am also going to be adding in just a couple of little trinkets, like my stone here, my crystal stone. And then just a candle. I love these smoky girl candles. I got them from Amazon. I will link as much stuff as I possibly can down below. Now I wanted to add something simple over here. I'm just bringing in my bronze claw candle pillar holder and this saffron candle that I got for fall, I think it was. It just smells so good. And this bowl, and I'm just gonna put some figs in it. Now, before you go, let's head down to the entryway table. Now, I'm just gonna get it clean and then we can start decorating. Bringing in this acrylic book holder, adding my Louis Vuitton book. Found a nice little page that went with everything on this table. My ripple vase that I got from Home Goods last year. Also, these stems, they are from Hobby Lobby. They are part of the fall collection, I believe. I'm just gonna go in and gently fluff out my stems. I like to bend and separate the leaves on any stems that I have. It creates a more fuller and more natural look. Now, to create more interest and different varies of heights, I brought in the pear to that ripple vase. Now, still creating different heights, I'm bringing in this lantern. I'm just gonna place my ribbed candle right here in the middle. Now, to bring everything together, I'm just gonna add in my gold tray and my favorite candle, which is this torches print candle that I got from H&M. Now, I cannot find these. These are completely sold out, so I will link what I can. Then I went in with this wool throw blanket that I got from Home Goods, and that's it. babes, it is time for me to get up out of here. If I was able to inspire you and motivate you to get things done around in your home, I need you to go ahead and watch this video next so you can get more motivation and inspiration. And until next time, I love you all so much. Bye.
Don't you say you're sorry, 'cause I like the way you feel.